Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, bare face, we came au natural. Today is going to be a updated skincare routine. So I'm going to be showing you guys like all the products that I use and everything like that. And this video is in partner with Gleamin, and I'm going to be showcasing one of the best chef's kiss top tier skincare product brands out there, and it's the Magic Skin Potion. So their products are amazing, and y'all will see, like physically see what I'm talking about, like when I'm showing you guys each product and everything like that. So I am going to be doing like a voiceover mode for the skincare routine. One of the products from the Magic Skin Potion is the Carmella Cream, and it is supposed to, like, you know, fade away dark spots, which I just tried that out for today. Some of the products that I used, I'm going to explain that I've been using them, or that I've, you know, used them multiple times. But Carmella Cream, I wanted to like start the process of using that today, and then like do an update video and see how like my dark spots fade, because I do have hyperpigmentation on my face, as you guys can see from popping pimples. I don't recommend, don't do it. But yeah, I don't really have that much pimples. I only have one right here that decided to post up like a few days ago. If you guys want to go ahead and see my updated skincare routine and how to basically glow without makeup, without highlight, without nothing, literally this is my beautiful skin. Like, if y'all want to see the goodies that I got and like stuff that, you know, the products that I use and everything, then just keep on watching this video.
Alright guys, so we are starting off with the Magic Skin Potion and a clean bare face. I like to go in with the Kamana citrus soap for cleansing. So basically this soap, you can use it with a loofah or a sponge. I'm going to be using it with a spin brush. And this product honestly is just extremely refreshing to the face. It smells amazing, you guys. And yeah, like it literally made my skin feel like, you know how mint feels on your skin? It literally made my skin feel like refreshed and like cooling, and it's just amazing. I know a lot of people do not like to use paper towels to dry their face off because they believe that it's, you know, harming for the earth and stuff like that. It's just a waste of paper. It is, I ain't gonna lie, but honestly, it's so much better because it doesn't trap bacteria. You're just throwing it away after you're done with it instead of using a towel. Next, I am going in with the Strawberry Puree Scrub. Y'all, this scrub, literally, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the inside. It is literal real strawberries. Like this, all of these products, by the way, are handmade and crafted by the CEO, by the owner. Yes, she is honestly doing her thing, because you can clearly smell the real ingredients and all that stuff. But it's amazing. Like, you just wet your face a little bit and then just apply the scrub. I definitely do this whenever I feel like my skin needs just an extra oomph. Like, it's not, the cleansing isn't enough. I have to scrub. So yeah, it's an amazing product, and it literally leaves your skin baby smooth. And you'll see what I'm talking about when I'm done.
I really wish y'all could feel my skin right now. It literally feels like butter. Like, girl, I'm about to use that mask on my lips or something too, because my face feels so smooth. Oh my god, like, next product.
You guys, so usually after I do my scrubs, I tend to move towards using a mask. So today we are partnered with Gleamin to use the vitamin C clay mask with turmeric and aloe vera. This is obviously used to help with enhance skin, the glow with the vitamin C, and then also to help even out your skin tone and fade dark spots over time, and then just give you the radiant, like, dewy skin. And you'll see a glow when I'm done using this mask. And you just leave it on for 10 minutes. And yeah, you guys, it's honestly a great feeling. It does tingle a little bit when you are done applying the whole thing. It tingles a little bit, but I don't know. I feel like things that tingle, that's how you know it's working.
Western on the track, Western on the track, Western on the track. I just gotta be honest.
After the mask, I definitely want to bring some moisture back into my skin, so I'm using the Aloe Essence Moisturizer. This is usually used after cleansing or toning. It's a very liquidy substance, so it's kind of like watery. So therefore, you just, stick your hand in it or just pour it out a little bit and just pat it all over your skin. And I was just trying to show you guys at the end, I will show you how watery it is. It's like a liquid. So just, pour it in your hands and just pat it into the skin, and it really does moisturize. On to the Carmella Cream, which is what I told you guys helps fade out dark spots. I think this is probably one of her most like a fan favorite from her brand. So yeah, you just use the Carmella Cream every other day. It increase like twice daily in the morning. And you just put it on those dark spot areas where you have discoloration and just, rub it in. So yeah, I definitely wanted to try this out for the first time today and over time see what it does to my dark spots. But I've literally heard nothing but good reviews about this Carmella Cream, and I've physically seen people's dark spots get lighter, their skin tone come out lighter. And you guys know I got raccoon eyes, so I know, and I hope and pray, I know this is gonna work. So yeah, definitely excited for this product. Guys, so now we are going back into moisturizing our skin with this oil. This is the Rosa Serum. Basically that means the rose. So yeah, definitely a rose infused oil, or I think it's 24K infused oil. And I just put it all over the areas that I usually highlight with and just patted it in, and it really does leave obviously a nice beautiful glow to your skin. And y'all know I love me some good rose water, so I'm so happy that she has rose water. And I just finished off by spraying it all over my face, cover the lace, period. But yeah, that is the whole entire updated skincare routine.
All right, guys. Yay, you have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it all the way through. You are a real one. Period. Anyway, so thank you so much. Big shout out to Gleamin for sending me that the vitamin C clay mask. I appreciate you guys so much. And first of all, a round of applause for Magic Skin Potion, because Black owned skincare and it's bomb. Top tier. Is literally top tier. So I'm gonna leave all of her links to the Magic Skin Potion in the description box, so you guys can check them out. I'm gonna leave their IG and everything in the description box as well. So yeah, you guys go ahead and check them both out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
You're the kind of guy that I should make the move.